Read for a few minutes? Oh! Yow! Mama! You're killing me! Stop! Oh! Hey, it's lonely in here. Care to dance? Are you taking it? No, no, no! Do you know of any puppet modeling agencies? Oh, pardon me. Excuse me. You got neat things. Truce! I'm unarmed! I know what the challenge is. Nothing happens, and I actually like it. You like to share? Ah! Ow! Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? What are we doing now? What else is there? Yeah, keep that. I can live with that choice. Excellent choice. Oh, fine, yes, that'll work. Good choice. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Good choice. Use that every time. Oh, yeah, that'll work. I live in a box. Do I look taller now? I'm not happy that way. What do you think, I'm silly buddy? Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. My bones! Choose something else. Whoa! Oh, I'm doomed! There goes the sequel. Rock and roll! I feel the earth move under my feet. Ow! It's the end of the world as we know it. What on earth do I deserve that for? That's not good. I don't get it. Steamboat Willie. Enough! You're a bad person. Open a window. What's wrong with you? The pain. That's not right. Well. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? My God, why? Siri, call the ambulance! Oh, my biscuits are burning! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Enough! Stop, pop, and roll! Yeah! I'm burning! You're a bad person! What's wrong with you? My God, why? I am wrapped in darkness. I'm dying! I don't know it. Do you like playing games? That's my world. Mind if I catch a nap here? So, what do you want to do? Oh! Do I look tasty? Matryoshka! I want to see the basement in the Alamo. No. I'm gonna go put out a order! Open the window! Oh, my vegetables burning! Oh, that's better. Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Stop, drop, and roll! I'm burning! You're a bad person. What's wrong with you? No. I'm out! I'm out! No. Oh, God! Oh! Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. Fetch me some coffee, please. Hey, what are y'all looking? Read the directions. Nothing is safe. Have you been to the moon? This is bad. I'm a pirate. Arr! Just kidding. No, not that. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. Boring! Boring! I live in a box. Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Ooh! Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Can you turn me toward the TV? Put that back. Yeah, just put it back. Excuse me.